Oh my god！
遇到凡事不要慌。
The morning of January 7th turned tragic for the residents of Dingri County in Tibet. At 9:05 a.m., a powerful earthquake with a magnitude of 6.8 struck at a depth of 6 miles. The epicenter of the seismic event was located in the town of Tsogua, situated at an altitude of over 14,100 feet. Within a radius of 12 miles from the epicenter, more than 20 villages were affected, many of which were reduced to rubble. The village of Guzhun in the township of Chansuo suffered especially severe damage, with all homes of 40 families completely destroyed. Rescuers arrived at the disaster site immediately. Rubble is being cleared around the clock, with dogs and radar equipment assisting in the search for survivors. Over 400 people have been rescued so far, but the chances of survival for those still missing diminish with each passing hour. Nighttime temperatures drop below 14 degrees Fahrenheit, and heating materials are critically scarce. Injured residents with fractures and other injuries were transported to regional hospitals. Medical specialists from across the country are traveling to Tibet to support local doctors.
Felt hundreds of kilometers away in nearby Nepal and northern India, sending people fleeing their homes and out into the streets.
According to official data, as of noon on January 8th, the death toll had reached 126 people, with 188 injured.
小心啊！
Over 3,600 homes have collapsed, leaving thousands of people homeless amid harsh winter conditions. Dr. Wang Yu, an associate professor at Taiwan University, stated that this is one of the strongest earthquakes in the region in recent decades.
学生们一定要保护好自己。
战地记者前线为您报道。
Ja, dat ding is lang al. Dat heb ik het.
In addition to rescuers, mobile communication teams have come to the aid of those affected. China Mobile Tibet deployed emergency equipment, including satellite phones and portable base stations, to restore communication in the area.
Ah! Ah! Oh, ada kono sana. 我操！地震了！这大地震！看看看，房子都快塌了！我操！快跑快跑！你看这！我操！我操！地震了！地震了！快跑快跑！我操！我操！我操！我操！我操！我操！
Over 600 aftershocks have been recorded, including one with a magnitude of 4.4. Scientists warn that seismic activity may continue for several months. Given the increasing frequency of climate-related disasters worldwide, everyone, regardless of where they live, must be prepared for emergencies. Packing an emergency kit and knowing how to act in critical situations are essential skills. Awareness and readiness can save not only your life, but also the lives of your loved ones. For more information on what changes to expect on the planet in the coming years and how to prepare, visit the forum, Global Crisis. The responsibility